मंच पर वे मेहमान, करती हूँ आदरपूर्वक उनको प्रणाम, करती हूँ आदरपूर्वक उनको प्रणाम. Welcome, sir.
Namaskaram to all of you. I am here because of Engineer Ravi Shankar, who is my partner on IDYM on youth activities. I only know that this is a Edu Smart School. Not even know that where is this place, where is it located.
Sorry to interrupt you. Sorry. Children, please mute your mic. Sir, I'm Dr. Batman, and Edu Smart Digital School is in Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Yeah.
I think.
I have not got any such information. That browser doesn't say where is this school.
Yes, sir. Please
Okay.
go ahead.
Yeah. I know that people are celebrating in this country, and India is so poor because of such celebrations. Because we are good in celebrating but not in understanding the real concepts. You only think about Krishna when his Krishnashtami comes and celebrates his birthday. Probably the messages of Krishna is not understood properly.
Mute your mic.
The greatest message of Krishna is three things, and that is well depicted in Bhagavad Gita. One is action. Everybody need to be 200% busy without idling their time. Second one, you have to be supported with knowledge so that your action, your karma becomes so beautiful. And third one, how devotionally you should get into activities. If devotion is lacking, your love for the action is lacking, there is no point in becoming active in the world. It is not showing, it is not feeling, it is being which makes you core to the heart. That is what is called a devotion. I am devoted to somebody, dedicated to somebody, committed to somebody. Therefore, my actions becomes a passion. And that is what the message of Bhagavad Gita. It is not a religious text. Unfortunately, it is handled by people who are religious people. I am not a religious man at all. You don't see me putting some bottu to show that I am a Hindu. No. I am a spiritual being with Himalayan tradition, where the message of how people can be silently in action, not too much of advertisements. And then, if somebody is in Vishadam, sad mood, there are a lot of people who keep saying the environment is bad, the climate is bad, disease is there, and all such problems together is called Sanjaya Vishada Yogam, or maybe Arjuna Vishada Yogam, maybe Dhritarashtra Vishada Yogam, maybe Pandava Vishada Yogam, because everybody is in problem there. That is where Krishna comes with Sudarshanam, good messages. And that messages is what is to be understood, so that at least the next generation will take it non-religious. Next generation will understand the essence of it. So my idea of being here is to propagate that message from Krishna. And wherever I get such an opportunity, I don't leave it. That is why, without even asking where is it, Janmashtami means, yesterday I had 3 programs. Day before yesterday we had a program from United Nations Yoga Community where my Bhagavad Gita class is happening, in which we had international program with lot of celebrations of songs, musics and dances. And I found that this could be one of the place where we are reaching out to other part of the world where people are not heard or maybe heard in a wrong sense. To clarify that Krishna's birth has to be celebrated not with the songs and plays and dramas and decorations, but with an open heart to understand the message from Krishna. A person is understood only when his messages are understood. I don't think Krishna was a king who did what he wanted to do during the time and then people have forgotten. No. People still remember after 5,000 of years in a different yuga. That is because his messages were so strong. And they were the condensed message of Brahma Vidya, Yoga Shastra, Upanishads, which is supposed to be the Bharata's most concentrated knowledge. So I am happy that on this day I got an opportunity to talk to some unknown faces, unknown people, part of this country. Probably from getting this message, somebody feels that, yeah, I need to get connected to this person. You are welcome. In chat box I have put my number and website. Or maybe get into internet and type Dr. TPS. I am seeing Dr. Jacqueline here who is in contact with me, but I am unfortunate that she did not even send a message to me on WhatsApp, seeing that I am coming. Communication is not having contact. Communication is getting in contact. Communication is not blah 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 English. Communication is networking. Communication is networking and finding contacts. So I believe that that is what the purpose of education. And I believe that the students and parents and teachers here will understand the real communication and get in contact. I am Dr. TPS, DR for doctorate. When you use DR, doctor, you don't use Mr. in prefix. One of them is good enough. When you use Mr., doctor is not used because I did not decorate doctorate. I got it with my university, with my research. So there are a lot of things to be understood and learned. When your communications becomes cleaner, when your understanding becomes cleaner, your actions becomes cleaner. That's what Bhagavan says. 18 chapters to teach what knowledge is with action. So we must keep in communication, keep in contact so that some more knowledge can be provided, not on celebrations day. Celebrations are only advertisements. But for a core realistic knowledge sharing. That is what I believe. But still I participate in celebrations because that is where probably people will get a chance to get know people. And that knowing need to be understanding later. One is knowing, second one is understanding. I hope from knowing to understanding the growth happens. Arjuna knew that there is a war, but he understood what is war later. That is what Bhagavad Gita teaches. And that is Krishna's message. It's a beautiful lesson learning. That is what I am teaching under the United Nations umbrella and the interfaith community. No single faith. It's a combined group of people. The other day we had beautiful song on Krishna from one of my friend from my own village, Sharaf, who is a Muslim. We had people from Brazil who was Christians. So it's a real interfaith. That is where the people have to grow. Because today is the time when people are fighting. Like Afghanistan is the place where Kurukshetra war had a big role. Because Dhritarashtra's wife Gandhari was from Kandahar. Gandhar Naresh. Kandahar. Kandahar is in Afghanistan. So imagine in Kurukshetra war we had a role from Afghanistan people. And today you know the relevance of Afghanistan. That is where Gandhari is from. Gandhari's brother was Shakuni. Most cunning people during Mahabharata war was also from Kandahar. Gandhar Naresh, Afghanistan. So you can learn geography, you can learn history through epics. It is not a blind faith, a faith which can be questioned. And Krishna was open himself to ask questions. So a good student is one with a lot of questions. Arjuna represents a good student because he keep on asking questions. And that is why Bhagavad Gita came. Krishna could give answer only when there was questions. So I wish all of you a great celebration. Maybe at the end of the day you should have a lot of questions, and that questions can be addressed to Dr. TPS in case if you are not able to get an answer. And you can reach me, Dr. Dr. TPS. I was a scientist in space department, therefore temperature pressure second. TPS. I was in police for some time. I was with the cabinet secretariat and director general of security, therefore TPS represents top police service. Now what I am doing is only teaching, therefore I am TPS, teachers, parents and students. So don't forget Dr. TPS, DR for Dr. TPS, teachers, parents and students. So thank you Jacqueline for this opportunity. I am just seeing you now, so I could relate that, oh, this is the connection what made me here. Right? So thank you Dr. Jacqueline. I must thank engineer Ravi Shankar ji for this opportunity, and I will be glad and humbled with this opportunity given to me to face you all. Wish you all the best, a great celebration. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir.